The Acorns Debit Card is a part of the Acorns financial app ecosystem designed to help users invest, save, and spend intelligently. Here's how it works. Integration with Acorns app. The Acorns Debit Card is linked to the user's Acorns investment account, allowing seamless integration with the app's features. Roundups. Acorns rounds up each transaction made with the linked debit card to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change into a diversified investment portfolio chosen by the user. Automated investing. Users can set up automatic recurring investments from their linked bank account or debit card into their Acorns investment portfolio, helping them grow their wealth over time. Cashback rewards. The Acorns debit card offers cashback rewards on purchases made at select partner merchants, which are automatically deposited into the user's investment account. Fee structure. Acorns charges a monthly subscription fee for its investment services, which includes access to the Acorns debit card. The fee varies based on the tier of service chosen by the user. FDIC insured. The Acorns debit card is issued by Lincoln Savings Bank and is FDIC insured up to certain limits, providing security and peace of mind to users.